To be honest, I have just about every Lego game out there. Me too. Like the Legos. Vista. Oh, neat me. Sugar. I have a poster of all the Lego Dimension stuff. Oh, me too. But I've not had a chance to put it up anywhere. I've not found anywhere to place it yet in my flat. Here we are. We got a choo-choo train. Choo-choo! Choo-choo train! One that time travels. Oh, it's drunk! It's a bit drunk! Ah! The choo-choo train's drunk! Choo-choo! 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 Cool! It actually sounds like a train! Scooby train! That is min. All the builds and people. Marty, we need a simpler build. Or trains, lol. Literally all I do is play this and Fallout. That's what I'm sort of doing as well. I'll be doing more Fallout as well.